Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily assemble your steering wheel on the XIAOMI Electric Scooter 6 Pro. So first, what we need is the screws that we get from the box. So we get 7 screws in total, but we are only using 6. The last one is a spare one. And as you guys can see, we have something to plug right up top here. One on the side, one on the other side, and 2 at the bottom. Now, if your steering wheel does not come like this, it can also come like this. So you need to be careful whenever you're putting the black cable in. We need to make sure that we do it safely. And after we do that, we can simply put it back on. And we're gonna start off with the first screw. Now, we also get this tool to screw them in. And we're gonna place one right up top here. You guys can see where it is, it's right here. Now we can easily go over, and I am not tightening them up yet. We are pre-tightening them so that they are not 100% in, but they are still, they're not gonna fall off or anything. Let's grab the second one. And now in the second one, we're gonna do exactly the same. We're just gonna put it here, and as you guys can see, it is going a bit slow. So in the end, you need to actually use some force here to make sure that they are pre-tightened, and one on the side right here. So now it is on the side, it may fall off now. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna hold it, put it inside of the screw, and start screwing it up. So it is right here where the tool is. Now we're going to pre-tighten it. So the first side is done. We are not going over it yet. And what are we gonna do next is, after we pre-tighten 3 screws from this side, let me quickly switch to another side, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and do the rest. Now we're on the other side, and we need to grab another screw. And now where are we gonna screw it is right below this orange cable. So we need to plug this right here, and it is plugged right below it. We're gonna use our tool to pre-tighten it. And after pre-tightening it up, you'll have 2 screws left at the bottom. So to pre-screw the bottom, I would recommend just screwing it up all the way. So the bottom should be done automatically. So now what are we gonna do is let's tighten this up already, and let's grab another screw. Now the screw here goes basically up. So we need to put it up. Now we have to place in the screw, and it is levitating right here. We need to aim for it and just make sure that it goes all the way in. So once we do that, we're gonna do the second screw, and I don't want this video to be too long, so you guys can quickly assemble it. And I'm quickly gonna put the second one off camera. So now let's screw this up completely, and now I'm gonna screw the last one off camera so I don't waste your guys' time. So now we just tighten those screws, and now what we need to do is we need to make sure that these screws right here are tightened up. So go over and screw them all the way up. Now this is the final stage. And what are we gonna do as the last one? We're simply gonna go and put the steering wheel up. So I'm pretty sure you guys won't be able to see the entire thing because it is definitely massive. But what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply put this in. Now it has to go here, and you guys can see this, so make sure that it clicks. And now we can go over and just clip this in. And now our keyboard is basically possible to turn. Let me quickly just open it up and quickly show you guys that we need to screw it so there's no way we can take it off. Now I can't because all of these 6 screws are holding it. So that means we did our job. And the last step, yes, I showed it to you guys, but we need to plug it in so that this little ball enters the steering wheel. Now we can just clip it and it is done. Now you can just hop on and you can drive. So that's how you guys can quickly assemble it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.